Hi, my name's Susie Renshaw and I'm the Early Careers Manager here at Clyde&Co. I'm going to take some time to talk to you about our programmes. Bright Futures is a programme targeted at first-year law students or second-year non-law students. This week-long programme is aimed at people from lower socio-economic backgrounds who've not yet had an opportunity to gain commercial work experience, and it's aimed to provide access for all within the legal profession. Candidates must meet at least one of the following criteria. You should have been eligible for free school meals between the ages of 11 and 16, have grown up in a household where no parent or guardian attended university, or have experienced another form of social disadvantage. To apply for this programme, you'll need to make your application online between December the 5th, 2022 and March the 6th, 2023. We will ask you to fill in your personal details as part of the application form. And once this has been submitted, we'll ask you to complete the digital simulation and then finally a telephone interview. The first 4 days of the programme is designed to give you more insight into the culture and working life within a global law firm. The first few days will consist of presentations, trainee panels, group projects, and a learning and development professional who will guide you in understanding your own strengths. The penultimate day of the programme will be an assessment day bootcamp, and this will give you the opportunity to receive an offer on the following year's vacation schemes. This session will give you all of the information and practical hints and tips to be successful. And the final day will be the assessment day itself, but don't worry, you'll be prepared for this. If you secure an offer on one of our vacation schemes, we will provide you with a mentor between the end of the Bright Futures programme until you start your vacation scheme. If you're keen to embark on a career in law, a vacation scheme with us could be the perfect stepping stone. Our schemes will give you a real-life insight into our firm, the opportunity to learn about how the law is applied in our core industry sectors, and will always aim to enable you to be placed in a department of your choice. The vacation scheme is your opportunity to get to know us and our opportunity to get to know you. And across that scheme, you'll complete a number of assessments, including an interview. We'll use these together with your feedback from your supervisors and your team to decide whether or not to offer you a training contract. We currently offer vacation schemes in winter, spring, and summer, but check our website for the most up-to-date information. Typically, you should start applying for the vacation schemes in the second year of a law degree or the third year of a non-law degree. Occasionally, we have direct training contracts available, but usually we recruit through our vacation schemes. We have started to recruit graduate apprenticeships in some of our regional locations. These tend to be for specific practice groups, such as projects and construction, or insurance, financial and professional disputes. Again, it's best to check our website for the most up-to-date information on these opportunities, as they're normally based on business requirement. Spend time researching the firm. Start with our website, but also try to attend law fairs, webinars, insight days, as well as any other virtual events to get a real feel for the culture of the firm you're applying to. Have you had any non-legal work experience? What are your strengths and how can you display these as part of the process? What transferable skills have you obtained that are relevant for a career as a lawyer? When completing your application form, please make sure to complete all of the relevant details. Include both legal and non-legal work experience. We recognise that not everyone will have had the opportunity to secure work experience in a law firm before applying, and that's okay. What we're really interested in is the skills, any experience and knowledge that you've gained along the way and why this would make you a successful lawyer. You will not be disadvantaged if you have not had any work experience.
At this stage, you will find a selection of question types, including some video and written responses. Some of these questions may present you with a range of situations and challenges that you can expect to face as a trainee here at Clyde. And think about how you would respond to the different challenges and opportunities you can expect as part of your daily work. Some questions also focus on motivation for the role and what you can bring to the firm. Try to answer these honestly, as we want to know how you would respond authentically. We also want to give you the opportunity to learn more about Clyde and the role you've applied for. Find a quiet space with a neutral background to avoid any disruptions during your interview. Test the camera and mic on your device and check your internet connection prior to your interview to mitigate any technical issues that may occur. If you find yourself having technical issues, please contact the early careers team for support as soon as possible. The assessment is not timed overall, so please take it at your own pace. However, there are some video interview questions where you will be given set time to prepare and then record your responses. After your digital simulation, and regardless of the outcome following this assessment, you will receive a personalised feedback report via email.
At the final stage of the process, we are assessing candidates based on the strengths that will deliver success in the role. This is great for the individuals doing what they love, and great for the employer having team members who love what they do. As part of the assessment day, you will take part in a commercial thinking written exercise, a role play, a group exercise with a maximum of 4 candidates, as well as a strengths-based interview. A strength is something that you do regularly, is something that you do well, and it's something that energises you when you're doing it. We're assessing for potential rather than the skills you've already learnt, for example, through work experience. The questions we ask at interview are more varied, and you don't need to prepare for these. They've been designed specifically to elicit more honest and authentic answers, but you can also include examples where appropriate. These could be from university or personal experience.
Be prepared to talk about your motivation for joining us and why you're keen to embark on a career in an international law firm. Simply reciting information from our website or giving generic answers won't show us why you want to join our firm over any others. Our interviewers want to get to know the real you, so be confident in yourself and let your personality shine through on the day. Remember to use different examples in your answers. These can be hypothetical from your work experience, extracurricular activities, or university. If you've had relevant non-law experience or undertaken any volunteering work, talk about this too. They all hold transferable skills. Where possible, try to demonstrate an understanding of how a law firm works, thinking about what clients want from a law firm, the pressure firms and clients are under, and how a firm can help alleviate some of those pressures and achieve a client's goals. Most importantly, interviewers want you to succeed, so don't put too much pressure on yourself. Relax and try and get a good night's sleep the day before your interview.